What if I told you that you could create amazing YouTube videos without ever showing your face? Intrigued? Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools that make it possible. First up is Pictory. This tool is like magic for transforming your scripts into stunning videos. You just type up your content, and Pictory finds video clips, images, and music to match. Perfect for listicles, tutorials, or storytelling. Next is Synthesia. Imagine having an AI avatar that speaks for you. Synthesia lets you create realistic avatars that narrate your script. You can even choose different voices and accents. No need to record yourself. Number 3 is InVideo. This tool is great if you want creative control with a ton of templates. InVideo makes it super easy to create high-quality videos with animations, text overlays, and effects, all drag and drop. Fourth on the list is Descript. This one's a powerhouse for editing. You can edit audio and video just by editing text. Plus, Descript's overdub lets you clone your voice, so you can make quick changes without re-recording. And finally, we have Canva Video. Canva isn't just for photos. Their video tool has templates, animations, and stock footage, perfect for faceless videos that pop. It's beginner-friendly too. So there you have it. With these AI tools, you can make engaging videos without ever showing your face. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.